Hello from HW Group. In this video, we will explore one-wire and one-wire UNI sensors used with the Perseus device. Firstly, let's look at the difference between one-wire and one-wire UNI sensors. The primary difference lies in power consumption. A maximum of 2 one-wire UNI sensors should be connected to a single RJ11 port on the Perseus, as they often require more power. Some one-wire UNI sensors may also require an external power supply. Standard one-wire sensors are also limited to one RJ11 port, though the capacity per port is higher due to their lower power requirements. Perseus supports multiple one-wire and one-wire UNI sensors. You can find a complete list of supported sensors on the Perseus product page by scrolling down and selecting the Sensors tab. This table lists all compatible sensors for your specific device. Let's connect the sensors to the Perseus device. Sensors are connected via the RJ11 ports. Ensure the connector clicks to confirm a secure connection. Sensors should be connected before powering on the device. For one-wire UNI sensors, you can daisy chain a maximum of 2 sensors per RJ11 port. The maximum total cable length from the port to the last sensor is 60 meters. Once all sensors are connected, power up the device. Next, we will add the sensors in the web GUI. To access the web GUI, use the HWG config utility. For a detailed explanation, please see our previous video on HWG config. In the Perseus web GUI, navigate to Monitoring, Meters, select the One-Wire tab, and click on the Scan button. Then select Scan and Add Meters. Once the scan is complete, you will see all available meters and their variables. Click Save to add them to the system. In the next step, we will rename the meters for easy identification. In the Monitoring, Meters, One-Wire tab, click on the meter name. The choice of names should respect the design of the entire project. In our case, since we connected a one-wire UNI H-temp sensor to port 1, we will include the port number in the meter name. Click Save to save the name. You can rename the variables as well. The next step is adding the variables from your meters to the portal to enable email alerts based on sensor values. We assume the Perseus device has already been added to the portal. If needed, please refer to our previous video for a guide on this process. In the Perseus web GUI, navigate to Services, Portal, and scroll down to the Variables section. Ensure that the specific variables you wish to monitor are enabled. Additionally, set a portal range by clicking the plus button. This portal range triggers an immediate push of data if the value falls outside the specified interval. Without this set, the data would only be updated during the standard push period, delaying your notification. Setting the portal range locally also allows you to manage and adjust these ranges directly from the portal later. Click Save to apply these settings, then perform a manual push to synchronize the configuration with the portal immediately. To set up email alerts for sensor values in the portal, navigate to the Meters section and locate the meter you wish to monitor. Click on the specific variable for which you want to set an alert and open the Actions tab. Click the Add Action button and select Email as the action type. Give the action a descriptive name and ensure it is enabled. For the Notice, select the one synchronized from the Perseus device, the Portal range. Next, select an existing target or click Create New Target. Enter the name and email address, then click Save. For the template, select the Simple template. With the Simple template, the alert will include information about all devices and their meters within your portal team. Using this template also means you will always receive sensor invalid and device invalid alerts. Click Save and Send Test. Let's check the test email you received. It lists the values exactly as they would appear in a real alert. Note that the test email displays the specific value that would trigger an alert rather than the current actual value. Because you are using the simple template, the email contains information for all devices within your team.
That's all for today's video. Thank you for your attention.